In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Messages notification sound on Android. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your device like you normally would, then go ahead and select over here where it says settings. Then go to the search bar and you want to go ahead and look up app followed by notifications. Then go ahead and select on it. Scroll down, select on advanced settings, then scroll down. Where it says manage notification categories for each app, make sure that is turned on. We need to have this on in order to actually do this process. But then you want to go back. Then you want to select on app notifications. Then from here, go to the search bar and look up messages. Click on messages. Then scroll down, select on notification categories. Then select over here where it says allow, and then select over here where it says incoming messages. Then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually change the sound to whatever you do like. We have all these different options and stuff like that. And basically, it is going to play that sound, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to click and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.